While prices at the end of May were up 11.2% for Annapolis, more inventory is coming to the market as buyer activity is beginning to taper off. It's Friday, June 17th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Between the higher mortgage rates and higher prices, activity is noticeably down. More sellers are listed for sale, but contracts have fallen. Homes for sale in Annapolis rose 10% to 142 available. 31 homes are coming soon. 34 homes came to the market since last week, a rise from the prior week. 17 homes went under contract. This is a decrease in contracts. 17 homes are temporarily off the market. This is also falling. 15 homes went to pending, falling off from last report. 31 homes sold, rising to 6 median days and falling to 102% list to sold ratio. The highest sale over the past week was in Margaret's Glen for $1,900,000. Rental inventory is up again this week to 18 properties, to the higher median of $27.75 per month. These have been on the market for an average of 13 days. Overall, the market is showing signs of shifts. If you have questions regarding your relative position, give me a call to discuss. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for June 17th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well.